Today on Take Five with Cleanfax, I'm with my friend John Clendenning. He's the founder and CEO of Carpet Cleaner Marketing Masters. John, hello. How are you?
Hey, how's it going, Jeff?
It's going good. And as we talked offline here in Ohio, it's dark, but we're going to wait it out. And next April, we should be good to go. Probably the same for you.
Exactly.
We're going to talk about something today to help our audience. It's from chapter 2 in your publication, in your book. And the question is internet marketing that much different than traditional marketing? Tell us about that, John.
Yeah, yeah. Some people think it is. It's weird. It's like, this world of internet came around and it's like, oh, this is a whole new world. Truth is, not at all. It's just a form of media. Like internet is a form of media. Now there's lots of channels on that media. So it's, they've got a wide choice of where to go, but it's no different than any other channels that you've had in former, in marketing offline, whether it's flyers or yellow pages in the day or postcards, back of buses, billboards. Those are all channels to get your message out. It's really all about attracting and influencing your ideal customer to make a buying decision, and that's universal no matter where you are.
Okay, so what would you say most business owners get wrong about marketing online?
Yeah, so that's where when you start thinking it's different, you skip past the fundamentals and you go straight to the tactics. So it's like they want more leads from Facebook, so they try and learn Facebook ads or hire somebody who called them on the phone saying, I can get you leads from Facebook. They hear that pay-per-click or local service ads work, so they start chasing that one down. They want their website to rank or their Google Maps listing to rank, and it's all without thinking of who's going to actually see this and what they're going to, what you want them to do when they do see it. So they're not laying the groundwork first. They're just targeting a tactic. And that's, we see that all the time. It's just like shotgun marketing all over again, but now on the internet.
Yeah. When I was thinking about this topic today, I was thinking about like a sports team. If they're really good, but then there's something wrong, you got to think about what is it? Maybe their fundamentals aren't there. They need to go back to the basics. So thinking about, I don't know if that's a good analogy or not, but I like it. What kind of marketing fundamentals should these business owners know about?
We're all the way back to the core of what marketing is. It's like the three core fundamentals of marketing is the market, the message, and then the media. So the market is the what. What do you do? What makes you unique? Why should somebody hire you over the competitors? That's all part of your message there. The market side of it is the who. So who are you going to sell to? Who's the best customers in your marketplace that fit your selling principle, your business concept? And then the media is how are you going to find them? How are you going to get in front of them? So it really is the message, the market, and the media has to be sort of the message and market first, media comes later, and the internet is just the media.
Okay. So how does knowing their fundamentals help them market better online?
Yeah, well, you think about it. If you know, say your market, who you're targeting, is that the affluent people? Well, where are they? How many are there? Is it seniors? Is it apartments? Is it condos? Like, look at your marketplace. Look at your last 25, 50 customers. Which ones did you like the most? Which ones paid you the most amount of money? Which one the easiest ones to do work for that love the work you did? Is there commonality? Are they mothers of small children? Are they, again, are they professionals with, that 45 to 55 years old with, teenagers or grown teenagers and things like that? What is your ideal market? If you kind of realize who that is, your message is going to be different for them as well. What kind of risk reversal guarantee do they want? What makes you different than your competitors? So you're now thinking about sort of what's their biggest fear of having somebody in the home, and can you answer that in your marketing message? So now you're thinking about, once you know those fundamentals, what platform best targets them, right? So is the TikTok crowd might not be the ideal crowd. You might enjoy doing TikTok videos. You've heard they're great, but are you targeting a 25-year-old? Or are you trying to target a 45, 55-year-old, executive type of person who is your more ideal client kind of thing. So it really is about once you've got that dialed in, you can start tailoring your message, you can start picking the demographics. You can start, like in internet marketing, you can actually exclude areas. So you can run pay-per-click ads, or Facebook ads, but not target this low income or low demographic community, but target the higher demographic community, or vice versa, depending on what your business is set up to do.
All right. Well, John, good advice. We're connecting the dots here. Thank you for helping. And those watching, hopefully will never forget the fundamentals before they jump into the tactics.